In this video, I will show you how to play Sword of Justice on PC. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Sword of Justice is an Android game. It's a role-playing game which has been developed by Exceptional Global, and you can now play this on your PC or Mac with something called the BlueStacks app player. BlueStacks is an Android emulator, so what that allows you to do is play Android games on your PC or Mac. Now to get started, if you come to the video description down below, there's going to be a link to click, and that's going to take you to the official website, which is going to look like this. On this website, you're going to see a blue button which says Play Sword of Justice on PC. Give that a click, and what that's going to do is download BlueStacks onto your PC. Once BlueStacks has finished downloading, give it a click, and what you can do is run through the steps to install BlueStacks on your PC. Once BlueStacks has finished downloading and installing, what it's going to do is load up, and as long as you click the link in the video description down below, it's going to take you directly to the Sword of Justice page. From here, you're going to see a button to install from Google Play. Give that a click. And what's going to happen is you'll be taken to a screen like this. Now from here, just simply click onto the blue install button. What it's going to do is start downloading and installing Sword of Justice, so you'll be able to play that using the BlueStacks player on your PC or Mac. Just while that is downloading, I just want to run through some features of BlueStacks and personally why I love BlueStacks and why I use it to play Android games on my PC. So of course there's a number of great reasons why you would want to consider downloading BlueStacks to play Android games on your PC or Mac. Now to start with, I want to talk about game controls. Of course, playing on a PC or Mac is going to give you the opportunity to use your keyboard and mouse, and there is even gamepad support for a lot of games. So for myself, I find that a more immersive experience, and personally I really don't like using touchscreens. So of course, playing with a keyboard and mouse is one of the reasons why I love using BlueStacks to play Android games on PC. Another thing I really love about BlueStacks is the macros feature. So what this allows you to do is record and replay actions with a single key press. So where you have some games where it's just constant tapping or dragging and dropping, you can actually record and replay that with just by pressing a single key on your keyboard, which is absolutely amazing. There is a eco mode built in, so that allows you to optimize your PC usage. And another great thing that I really love about BlueStacks is the built-in real-time translation feature. Now what this effectively does, it allows you to play any Android game in your local language. BlueStacks is going to real-time translate that. So if there's games that have come out in other countries that you've been wanting to play, but of course you can't due to language barrier reasons, well, you can now do that with BlueStacks. Of course, naturally, playing on a PC, Mac or laptop is going to give you a much better frame rate, so you're going to get a higher frame rate, enabling a much smoother and just an overall better gameplay experience. And of course, you can play all your favourite games in full HD. Now, of course, that's just a couple of reasons why I personally love BlueStacks, but as you can see, there's a number of really cool features of BlueStacks, and that's why I would recommend using BlueStacks to play Android games on your PC or Mac. Here we are back on BlueStacks. As you can see, the game has just about finished installing now, so we're just going to give it a second or two to finish installing. And as you can see, we are now good to go. There is a blue play button. So at this point, all you need to do is click onto play. And what this is going to do is load up Sword of Justice on your PC. So you can see initially that the gameplay, the animations, everything is just running really well. It's very, very smooth, and the screen is very, very sharp. Now at this point, it's just going to come up with the terms and things like that. So we're just going to accept that, and we're just going to give it a minute or two to finish downloading and updating the resources and things like that. But as you can see straight off the bat, the game is playing absolutely amazing, and BlueStacks is just a really great way to experience and play Android games on your PC or Mac. So here we are in game. As you can see, I'm using my mouse to control everything, so I'm going to click here to open this up, and of course we can enter our name. So again, I'm going to go ahead, use my keyboard as well to type my name in, then use a mouse, click OK and confirm. Now, as you can see, I'm just going to skip past this cutscene here, just click OK, and we should be in the game itself. And here we are in game. So as you can see, again, it's running very well. You can see I'm holding down my left mouse button to move the joystick about, just like so. It's really, really good actually. It runs really well. And you can see it just plays really, really great on BlueStacks. So as mentioned, I'll leave a link to the website in the video description down below. Make sure to give that a click so you can start playing Sword of Justice straight away on your PC. I hope this quick tutorial helped you out, and if this did, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.